Good morning, fellow viewers. I'm Dr. Nji Molan from Cameroon. I'm at the Medicity hospital for training in laparoscopic surgery. I want to think it has been a very successful one. Since I come here, I've learned a lot of things that will help me in surgery in my country. I know about the Medicity hospital from Facebook. As I was browsing through, I saw about good things Medicity has been doing, which has interest in what I was out for. I became interested in it. So I went on Facebook to know more about Medicity. And that was where I discovered that Medicity was good in training surgeons in laparoscopic surgery. The very first thing I've learned how to follow procedures and how to manage procedures in course of surgery. I want to thank the Medicity authorities for creating these opportunities for fellow doctors to come here and enrich themselves in training. I also want to encourage them for the knowledge they have impacted on me. And I think what I've learned from here, I think I need more training in my country before I will be able to practice. I want to think I have learned a lot from the staffs, the surgeon from laparoscopic hospital, and I want to think it was motivating. I want to encourage the laparoscopic training at the Medicity hospital to continue in that same spirit, because I think in modern times now in this world, many people are now engaging in laparoscopic training and to better improve the health of their patients. I also want to appreciate the staff who made it possible for me to have this training up to this level. And I want to think that back in my country, many patients' life will be improved. I want to appreciate every staff for the effort they made in giving me the right information and in giving me the right practice as I do. I want to appreciate and thank the Medicity Hospital for this marvelous job they have been doing, not only to me, a Cameroonian, but to other fellow people, surgeons who have been coming here for this training. I also want to recommend them to continue assisting surgeons from all over the world who are visiting Medicity Hospital with this marvelous job they have been doing in training in laparoscopic surgery. I also want to appreciate at this moment the effort of the Medicity Hospital they have been doing in making sure that training tools, training instruments are made available at the Medicity Hospital. I want to encourage other viewers who are surgeons to come for this training so that they will better improve the life of their patients. I want to thank and appreciate you all. Thank you.